Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix iPhone camera black screen on iOS 17. So in the case that you are experiencing some issues with your camera, with it just showing a black screen, this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so we need to do first is to go ahead and basically sure that we have the latest version of iOS 17. Now, the Apple company is aware about its issues with the new release of iOS 17, which is periodically releasing some new updates to the iOS 17 software, particularly right now. It is on the newest iOS 17.0.3, so I want you to go ahead and tap on the settings, application, and then go ahead and tap on general, and then tap on software update. Now, as you see, as of now, I'm currently updated to the latest version of iOS 17, and if you guys are currently still experiencing issues like this, maybe you need to go ahead and update your iOS 17 softwares to its most latest version. So go ahead and do so right here, and that should solve your problem. That's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.